Instead of buying the usual Bali souvenirs like keychains or ref magnets, what if you actually made your own souvenir? I wanted to try something a little bit different, so I joined a silver jewelry workshop, and honestly, this might be one of the most meaningful things you can bring home from your travels.
Hi guys, so today I'm going to attend a silver jewelry class. So let's go.
I booked this activity through Klook. I'll put the link in the description below. There are silver jewelry workshops all over Bali, especially in Ubud, but since I was staying in Kuta, I chose one that was closer and more convenient.
You have helmet?
Yeah.
You can choose one of the design, then we can make it together. So all of silver is already included on your booking.
Yeah.
And for the gold plated, this will be extra 250.
250.
Yeah.
No, I want silver. I want silver, but can I have this design?
Sure. So you can choose after that with the silver as well.
It will be enough?
So in here we include 107 gram. That will be enough for
It will be enough.
So you can choose any of the design.
So this is the silver material?
Silver one, 99% the pure silver. So we're gonna melting the first step, melting. For the melting, you will be on it, this one, and then all.
Okay.
We need petrol. Nice.
Do I need to keep?
Yeah, keep it pumping like that. That's good. So if you get tired, just let me know. We can swap for the pump.
After choosing the design, they show you all the materials you'll be working with, real silver plus the tools you'll use for shaping, cutting, and polishing. What I really like is that you're not just watching. You actually do every step of the process yourself, with the instructor guiding you along the way. From shaping the silver to soldering to polishing, it's surprisingly therapeutic. Don't worry if you've never done anything like this before. They explain everything clearly and help you the whole time.
For the blending, you will be just turn it this way, yeah? That's to make it the thickness. Small until small like that one.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, try this.
How?
Yeah.
What happened? So I just keep doing.
Yeah, keep it there. That's good. Don't rush, that's not easy. Because we need lot of time.
Ah, okay. So you just keep. This is a good exercise.
Yeah.
Again?
Yes, please.
That's okay?
Take it out, please. Now, the next step, move over there.
Grinding.
Sanding.
Ah, sanding.
You want a more smaller than this, or that's good?
That is good, I think. Yeah.
Now we're gonna do pulling process.
Pulling.
Yeah, we're gonna pull it. Cheers. That's to make it round. That's around.
Okay.
Yeah, that's square. We're gonna make it around. Pull it in front. Yep. That's good. So that. Yep. Yep.
And then it goes to
No,
one.
yeah.
I can't. It's so hard.
If not, you can do it two-handed. Yeah. Oh. Strong. So to say strong on Philippine.
Malakas. So, I just... is still on.
Get on.
So it's like,
Yes.
so it's like bad shape. Oh, just like that.
Now we gotta make it the other. Yes, cheese.
Can you help me?
Let's try it.
Oh my god, I'm so
Make it on
nervous.
the up of that one first.
So
Yeah, that's good. That's good.
here,
Yes, please.
like that,
Yeah. Yeah.
and
And
then
then down onto that.
like that.
Yeah.
I think it's a bad shape.
Almost.
I don't know. Is this correct?
Just a little bit to make it. So we will help you later.
Can
Don't
you-
worry.
Okay.
Yeah.
I gave up easily. That's nice. Yeah.
Cut. You have to do this cut.
Cut, okay. Wait, here?
Yeah.
Ah, he's adding a silver.
So.
Like that? Ah, to follow the shape.
Mm-hmm.
That's it?
Hmm?
That's it?
The whole workshop took about an hour or so, and it honestly went by really fast. It's one of those activities that makes you slow down and really enjoy the moment. So this is the final result. A piece of jewelry that I actually made myself. Way more special than something you just pick up from a souvenir shop.